Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly use dry shampoo. Honestly, it's really easy and it only takes like 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to be using the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo. This one you can get any Sephora or any salon or Ulta. This brand doesn't use any heavy silicone or stiff resin, and it removes any dirt and oil. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys are in love with dry shampoo. So first off, you're gonna wanna brush your hair so that the oil is evenly distributed all over. Right now I'm using the wet brush. After that, you're gonna wanna section out your hair. What I like to do is part it down, straight down the back area. Grab a horizontal section. This is gonna be my very first section. So you're gonna wanna shake everything first in the can, and you're gonna wanna hold it at least 6 to 8 inches away and kind of use a sweeping motion. So I'm gonna block on my face because it does leave like a white looking powder. So I'm gonna just like that, and you guys can kind of see how it looks like, right? Some people like to massage and shake it through each section, but I do it towards the ending. And so we're gonna move on to the next section, another horizontal back area, and I'm just gonna kind of go like this now. I don't wash my hair every day. Honestly, I can go like 4 or 5 days without washing it, and that's because my hair is very porous and I don't want my color to wash out really quickly. So next section. For when you're using the dry shampoo, you're only wanting to put it on top of the root area. You're not putting it like on the bottom, because this is where you're most oily, where your roots are. So as you can see, all this white stuff. So I'm just gonna massage in my hair. So we're gonna move on to the next section. Then again, you're gonna grab the bottom, grab one section horizontal going straight back. And you don't want to use too much dry shampoo because that'll start making buildup on your head. I don't use dry shampoo too much. Only when I really need to, or when I see that shine in my head. Now we're just gonna massage it all together. Okay, so that's all done. Using dry shampoo is honestly really easy. You just have to know how to use it. Some people think you can just spray it onto your hair and you're good to go, but no, you need to section it out. Make sure you get everything. Make sure you're only touching your roots and not the bottom of your hair. She's kind of looking crazy right now, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and style. Right now I'm just straightening my hair. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial on how to use dry shampoo properly, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!